Welcome to this video on mastering Claude Code. We will explore how to leverage Claude Code for modern, efficient software development. We are moving from passive autocomplete, which is limited to line-by-line suggestions in the current file, to autonomous execution. Autonomous execution is an end-to-end process that reads the entire codebase and verifies results independently. Under the hood, the React architecture processes user prompts by assembling a context window. This can lead to a text response or a tool request, which is handled by a deterministic permission harness before execution. Step 1 is native installation. You can install Claude Code with a single command. It is recommended for its silent auto-updates and cross-platform support. Step 2 is the context engine. Run go/init in a new repository to generate a persistent claude.md file. This crucial artifact defines hard rules, build commands, and conventions, eliminating guesswork for the AI. The context hierarchy dictates how Claude Code prioritizes information. It includes OS level, user settings, project root, and directory-specific contexts. Files closer to the current working directory receive the highest attention. Step 3 is loading the context. Explicitly assemble the context by using ketqua/add to pull specific files and ketqua/ls to verify what the model currently sees. Use quo/clear to reset the context. The core development commands include quo/architect for planning multi-file structure and quo/code for autonomous modifications. -test generates verification, while /debug traces errors across the repository. Delegation via sub-agents allows the main conversation to spawn specialized agents for complex tasks. This provides parallel delegation, strict isolation to prevent rogue writes, and noise reduction through concise summaries. Extensibility via the Model Context Protocol, or MCP, turns the terminal into a universal execution hub. This eliminates copy-paste by directly connecting to databases and services like GitHub and integrates warp grep for fast codebase traversal. For a real-world workflow like legacy refactoring, use characterization tests first, define hard rules in claude.md, and perform incremental execution. Finally, use an AI code review agent to catch hallucinations and security gaps. The security boundary is wrapped in a deterministic harness. It operates in increasing levels of trust. Read-only, prompt for bash, sandbox execution, and accept edits mode, ensuring safety against prompt injections. For enterprise deployment, LLM gateways configure traffic routing for centralized auth and rate limiting. Corporate proxies secure outbound traffic, and managed configs deploy organization-wide benefits. The 2026 comparison matrix shows that Claude Code excels in complex refactoring and autonomous batch tasks through high agentic depth and a terminal/CLI interface. The modern synthesis stack suggests developers use multiple tools concurrently. Claude Code focuses on architecture and system verification, shifting the engineering bottleneck away from writing raw syntax.